Now, the police were placed on some JUTC buses in light of concerns about the safety of drivers and passengers. TVJ's Kirk Wright tells us more in this report.
At 7 this morning, we left Halfway Tree, journeyed along Constant Spring and Dunrobin roads, and no JUTC buses were spotted until we got to Duhaney Park. This bus was almost at its maximum when it got to that location. Some passengers who boarded initially were asked to take another bus. This morning, as promised, the police were on some buses, at least on the ones we saw.
What you're seeing now is the joint deployment of JCF and JDF officers, all from the perspective of ensuring greater safety of the traveling public, as also all public passenger operators, JUTC, taxi operators.
The passenger if the police presence on buses made him feel any safer.
Well, not really, but is that sustainable? Can the JCF afford to put a policeman on each of the 400 buses?
Another man questioned the presence of the police on buses.
What do you feel about police being on the buses? How do you feel about that?
Not too bad, but it's supposed to be in plain clothes.
We can respond in many different forms. The JCF usually respond in many different forms, whether overtly or covertly.
Assistant Commissioner Calvin Allen did not say for how long the police will be stationed on the JUTC buses.
Our service is perpetual. The service of the forces is perpetual. We are here to serve and to give that sense of reassurance both to the commuting public, to the operators of the public transportation generally. So whatever we have to do to ensure that that presence is kept, we are prepared to do it.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.